Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Kling AI. In order to do so, here we are at klingai.com. And if you have not been to Kling lately, then you're going to find that there are a lot of new features, and we're going to go through them. So what we have here on the Explore page, as usual, if you scroll down, you're going to see all of the different examples of other things that people have created, and there's a lot of really cool stuff here. If we scroll up here to the top, we're going to see that we have different advertisements here, creative contests, a lot of cool stuff to take a look at there. And we've got the new Kling AI Video 2.5. So Kling keeps on getting better, and recently they put out their 2.5 version. So if you are looking for an excellent video generator, and I really put Kling at the top of the pile when it comes to video generation, it has so many great tools that you don't necessarily find elsewhere, or they're not elsewhere in a similar way that they are in Kling. So I really like Kling. If I were going to pay money for a subscription, then it's definitely going to be Kling. And we've also got the Kling Lab, which has Nano Banana integrated. So that's pretty awesome. That just means that you can do that much more with Kling. And here we've got effects, we've got events, capture your world and turn them into figurines. Take a look at that. Let's go ahead and just go down the line here. I'm going to select image first. And here is where we can generate images. So that's baked into Kling. That's really nice. If you want to bring your own images in here, you can, but Kling does have an image generator, and there is a lot that you can do here. We've got different elements that you can bring in, multiple images, so that you can kind of bake them all together into something specific. So that's really great for character consistency. And we've got text to image, we've got restyle. So with restyle, we can change the style of something from whatever to like anime or whatever it is that you might want. They've got some nice suggestions here as well. We have the video generator, and the video generator is fantastic. I love it. It's great. You can add a start frame. You could do an end frame, but it's not supported in 2.5. So if you want that, you're going to have to dial things down to 2.1, and then you can add an end frame, and you can do some really cool stuff with this, basically saying, this is where I want you to start, and this is where I want you to end. So depending on what it is that you're looking to do, that can be very powerful. Or you could just add a start frame. You don't have to do both of those. Elements, we've got different images we can bring in, and we can ask Kling to put those images together in interesting ways. So for example, we've got our little puppy here, we've got our woman, we've got the field. So we want the puppy to run to the woman in the field. That's an example of that. We've got multi-elements as well. Add a video to edit, swap, add, delete. Some stuff here that we could dig into, but let's keep on going. We've got the AI sound effects generator. So this is quite cool. Let's go ahead and listen to a couple of these. Okay. That's a little bit nicer. Cat purring. So the fact that it has sound effects now is fantastic. That just means there's that much more you can accomplish if you are looking to create more high-level projects. Then we have the AI virtual try-on generator. And with this, let's take a look here. So we can change our gender, we can change our age, we can change our skin tone. And I think what we're looking to do here, so we're looking to like change, yes, garments. So you can bring in your model, And then you can, if you have an image of the garment that you want them to wear, then you can bring that in there as well. And you can specify what kind of garments your characters are going to be wearing. So that's very powerful. And we have the avatar option. And this is really great. This is where you're going to find your lip sync. This is where you can build an avatar. We'll take a look at a couple examples.
I'm just setting my base with some fave loose powder. See that?
Sharing my favorite lip gloss I wear to work.
Here's today's fit check, ready to hit the gym.
Keep your drinks cold and your style on point.
So there you go. That gives you an idea of what you can do with the avatars and with the lip sync. It's a little bit more involved than that. So here we can upload our video. If we have a specific video that we want to be able to provide lip sync for, then we can upload that. And then we have the audio for the lip sync. If we hit plus on that, first we have to upload a video. So if that's something that we want to do, then we can bring that in here, and then we can add the audio to do the lip sync. So you can record yourself, your own performance, upload the video, get some stunning results with that. And we have the video extender. So if you have a video and you want to extend it, you want to make it a little bit longer for whatever reason, then you can use Kling to do that. There is just so much good stuff packed into Kling. And as I said, it is definitely one of my favorite platforms, comes highly recommended. Let's take a look at the pricing. Kling is nice enough to give you some free credits to play around with. And in addition to that, we've got our different subscription tiers. We've got the standard for $6.99 a month. You get about 660 credits for that, which allows you to do a little bit, but not too much. And then we've got the Pro, which is $25.99 a month. And this is really where you're going to get a lot more out of it. 3,000 credits per month. Fast track generation, professional mode, watermark removal, video extension, image upscaling, priority access to new features. Really, Pro is where it's at. We've got the Premiere and the Ultra as well. If you are really doing something intensive, you're working on your next movie, then you're probably going to want to go with the Premiere or the Ultra. So that's all there is to it. If you take a look at our Discord, we'd love to have you there. We have a few offerings to share with you. We've got our AI music video course on WAP. And if you head over to WAP for $30, we'll take you through our process for creating an AI music video, from choosing your tools to video generation and lip sync. By the end of this course, you'll have all the fundamentals necessary to creating your own AI music video masterpiece. Ask about our training and services. And if we head over back to our Discord here, we have our AI animation mastery training, 4 hours of intensive training for $200. Suno, if you want music mastery training with Suno, same thing, 4 hours of intensive training for $200. And there's a bunch of other stuff too as well. We've got some free resources for you. We've got an AI animation basics course that you can take a look at, and it will take you through some of the high-level concepts of AI animation. Some of the information is a little bit outdated, but for the most part, most of the concepts there still apply today. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you will get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.